If your Oral-B IO Series 3 is showing a red light, it's signaling a specific status you shouldn't ignore. A solid red light usually means the battery is low, typically under 10%, and needs charging soon. A blinking red light can indicate a critically low battery or a charging issue, so place it on the charger right away. If you see a pulsing red light while brushing, that's the pressure sensor warning you're pressing too hard. The IO3 activates this alert when you exceed safe brushing force, helping protect your gums and enamel. A rapid flashing red light may signal a system error or malfunction and could require further troubleshooting. Start by performing a reset. Place the toothbrush on the charger and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Clean the magnetic charging contacts with a dry cloth and ensure proper alignment on the dock. Also, open the Oral-B app to check for firmware updates. If the red light continues after a full 2-4 hour charge, or if you notice overheating or physical damage, contact customer support for assistance